Right here I have these awesome dining chairs that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing these mid-century modern dining chairs. Now these are really nice, they're going to be finished in a black and this is going to be 100% solid rubber wood. And it's going to be really durable, very nice and sturdy. It's going to hold up to 350 pounds, so you know this is going to be really sturdy and hold up for a long time. Now if you look at the back of the chair, we have a nice ergonomic backrest and it is an open back design. Going to look really nice. We have a nice thicker bar on the top. It's going to be a nice modern touch to your home and this fits perfectly with my dinner table. The seat height on this is going to be 18 inches from the ground to the top of the seat, which is also going to be your standard chair height for a dining chair. The legs have a little bit of a taper to go out, so it's definitely going to be nice and sturdy. And honestly, I didn't have any teeter-tottering on this chair whatsoever, even though there is not an adjustment on the bottom for like a leveling kit. Both of these chairs had no issue when I set them up and they were nice and sturdy. You do get these really nice felt pads on the bottom, which are so nice because you can slide this on your hardwood surfaces without scratching anything. So I love that it comes with that because that is such a nice feature and I end up just putting those on all my chairs anyway. So the fact that it comes with a kit, I really like that. Now it's going to be a very ergonomic seat and it supports your body very well, nice and wide, and it's also going to have a nice smooth finish. Whenever I was setting up these chairs, it was super easy to build them. It probably took me 10 minutes per chair, so totaling 20 minutes for both of these chairs, and honestly I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. The directions were very easy to follow. I was able to build these so fast and they just turned out amazing. It is a pretty light chair too as well, so if you want to move this from room to room, it's not going to be anything that's going to be crazy or strenuous, and a set of 6 of these is going to look absolutely amazing in your dining room. It's going to pop and look so good. I love the way the back is designed too, because you can fit your hands through here and you can pull it, so if you are walking up to pull a chair out, you can just grab it very easily. And again, it's just a nice smooth design and it just looks amazing. Overall, this is going to be a very simple yet modern touch chair, very sturdy and just looks stunning. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a new set of dining chairs. Very easy to assemble and I give these a 10 out of 10. Add these to your cart today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.